Hi, I'm Lawrence from Westside Sharpening and Cutlery Center and owner and maker of Rhino Custom Knives. We're going to talk about how to sharpen a sushi knife. We're going to show you how to sharpen one of these, and one of the ways to do it is to use either Japanese whetstones, or what I have here are a mixture of a synthetic and natural Arkansas stones. They always want to sell you honing oil. I recommend you don't use it. It actually defeats your sharpening. I recommend that you use either household Windex works well, and what I find that works really well is the simple green detergent soap. What you want to do is give it a light little squirt there, so there's a little bit on there. You need to have a rag around to clean things up. For a chisel like this one, we want to be at about 15 to 18 degrees. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start up here at the tip, and we're going to slide down all the way across. And then we're going to come back up, and we're going to slide all the way down again. And we're going to start up here, come all the way down. Now, once we get it to the point where we have a nice consistent burr all the way along, we're going to take out our little piece of cardboard here. Cardboard works great for stropping. We're going to start here, and we're going to come down. And we're going to start at the heel, and we're going to come down. And we're going to start, and we're going to come down. We're going to repeat this here a good 30 to 50 times, like this. And we're going to feel that we should have a nice accumulated burr even better. Then you're going to come this way and do the flat side of the knife. And we're going to come towards ourselves again. And we're going to keep doing this approximately a good 30 to 50 times, maybe more, depending on how much material you had to remove, until you can feel a finely polished edge on both sides and no burr. That's how you sharpen a sushi, a deba, or a chisel grind knife.